is your friend from SCDiving, Joe Reese, Dive Master. I'm here to tell you your dive report for Casino Point today. Today we dove Avalon Casino Point. Today's visibility was about 40 feet, and temperature-wise, it would be 60 degrees. There is a slight breeze on the surface, but it doesn't really affect the bottom visibility or actual diving conditions underwater. There are a lot of things to see, such as barracuda, school of fish, harbor seals, and many other types of marine fish. So that's your dive report for today from Catalina Island at Casino Point. Go dive.